Imagine making $200,000 a year by becoming an AI janitor. Yeah, you read that right. AI is supposed to make coding easier, faster, smarter. Except what it actually does is produce code that looks like a toddler smashed a keyboard, then called it a framework. Enter the $200,000 janitor of software development. This is the person who wades through the digital garbage AI leaves behind. They don't write features, they don't get fancy promotions. They just clean. And somehow, that makes them insanely valuable. Trust me, if you've ever opened a repo and thought, who hurt you, you know what I mean. So, what does a janitor of AI code actually do? Let's break it down. Step 1. Read code that makes absolutely no logical sense. Why is there a function inside a loop inside another function? Inside a switch statement? No one knows. Step 2. Remove 400 and use variables that AI randomly decided were essential. Step 3. Figure out why the API crashes every time someone hits submit. Spoiler: AI made a tight mismatch in 17 places. Step 4. Pray to the stack trace gods while fixing it. I remember opening a repo where AI had generated an entire REST API. But all the endpoints returned the same error message. I laughed, cried, and then fixed it, because someone had to. Here's the ironic part: AI was supposed to replace developers. But the companies realized something hilarious. Someone still has to fix AI's mess. And this someone is priceless. Every bug you prevent, every meltdown you stop, every junior dev you save from pulling their hair out? That's money in the bank. So yeah, $200,000 isn't a typo. It's the market screaming, we literally cannot survive without this human mop. Nobody writes blog posts about the AI janitor. Nobody shares success stories on LinkedIn. Why? Because invisible work isn't glamorous. The AI janitor doesn't ship the next viral app. They ship sanity. But here's the thing: the moment you become good at cleaning up AI slop, you're untouchable. You're like the superhero nobody asked for, but everyone desperately needs. So next time you open a repo and see AI's glorious mess, remember, you're not just debugging code. You're cleaning the future of tech, one slop-filled line at a time. And hey, if you've ever survived AI-generated chaos, or have a horror story that'll make devs cry, drop it in the comments. I promise, the janitor community will salute you.